Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancake cereal. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of your favorite pancake mix, 3/4 cup of milk, and 1 egg. Whisk these together until the batter is completely smooth with no lumps. This ensures your mini pancakes will be perfectly uniform. Then, pour your prepared batter into a squeeze bottle. This simple step makes creating those tiny pancakes much easier and less messy. Now it's time to cook your adorable mini pancakes. Place a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Aim for about 275 degrees Fahrenheit for best results. Using your squeeze bottle, gently squeeze small dots of batter onto the hot surface. Each dot should be about 1/2 inch in diameter. Cook them for approximately 30 seconds on each side, or until they're beautifully golden brown and fully cooked through. They cook quickly, so keep an eye on them. Once your mini pancakes are cooked, it's time to serve them up. Simply transfer all those tiny, fluffy pancakes into a bowl, just as you would with traditional cereal. For that authentic cereal experience, pour about 1/2 cup of your preferred milk over them. Don't forget to add your favorite toppings. Fresh berries, sliced bananas, or a generous drizzle of maple syrup are all fantastic choices to elevate your pancake cereal. And there you have it, your very own homemade pancake cereal. This delightful and fun breakfast is perfect for everyone, from little ones to adults. Feel free to get creative and experiment with different pancake flavors, like chocolate chip or blueberry, and a variety of toppings to find your perfect combination. It's a fantastic way to add some excitement to your morning routine. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description below for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.